What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on my channel. I hope you guys are all well. Today we're going to be busy with the Learn Java course on Codecademy. So today's project is continents and cities. Planet Earth is a magical place. Let's practice the Java switch statement that you learned about. Write a contents.java program that will print out a continent and the largest city in that continent based on the value of the integer. So let's just get straight to instructions. Let's create a skeleton for a program. Add this. I've already done that, or it's already been done for us. Write a program, a comment near the top, the program that describes what the program does. This program will print out the largest city, or sorry, rather, let's just say the largest continent and its city. Okay, so we're going to start off by creating an int variable called continent and setting it equal to 4. Right after that, we're going to start off with the switch statement. We're going to start with the first case. Then we're going to print out so the first case, right? Then we're going to print out North America. If it is the first case, then we're going to print out North America, Mexico, city, Mexico. And we're going to break out of the first iteration. Case 2. It says make sure the line exits. Okay, so add another case, continent is case 2, which we've done. System.out.print line. We're going to print South America. Brazil. Thereafter, let's break out of that iteration. Case 3. Case 3 is going to be Europe. In case 4. It's going to be Africa, Lagos, Nigeria. Then case 5. You just tick that down. Tick that off rather. Case 5, it's going to be Asia, Shanghai, China, China. And then case 6. Maybe Australia. Sydney, Australia. Case 7 is going to be Antarctica. Arctic, huh? What's this? McMurdo Station. US. Finally, default. And the default is just going to be undefined continent. And I have a couple of errors here. Okay, like I don't have a semicolon. Where else? Yeah, as well, a lot of missing semicolons. Ooh, Fabio. What's going on? Right, so it says by instruction number 16, if the program is written correctly, your output should be Africa, Lagos, Nigeria. Great work. Okay, it is indeed Africa, Lagos, Nigeria. So that's it. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Thanks a lot. Consider liking and subscribing.